Looking to provide top-notch client support and keep track of issues seamlessly? In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how to use SuiteDash for client support and issue tracking, and why it may not be the one-size-fits-all solution for every business. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that could work even better for your needs. First off, SuiteDash is an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses manage client relationships, track issues, and provide support. It offers features like a client portal, CRM, and ticketing system that can help streamline workflows. But the question is, does it do enough in the specific areas of client support and issue tracking to really stand out? The first thing you'll notice about SuiteDash is its ticketing system. This is where the magic happens for issue tracking. With the system, clients can submit tickets, which are then assigned to your team. You can categorize tickets, prioritize them, and even set due dates. While this is great for organizing issues, the interface feels a bit cluttered and not as intuitive as other platforms in this space. This could lead to a learning curve for your team, and if you're looking for something sleek and simple, SuiteDash might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Next, SuiteDash integrates a client portal, allowing clients to track the status of their issues, communicate with your team, and manage their projects. This is a solid feature for offering transparency, but there's a downside. It can be a bit tricky to set up, especially if you want to customize the portal to fit your specific needs. For smaller teams or businesses looking for simplicity, this customization might not be worth the extra time. Now, let's talk about automation. SuiteDash offers some automation features to help with recurring tasks. You can set up automated emails and reminders for your team, ensuring that issues aren't forgotten and are addressed in a timely manner. However, some users report that these automations don't always work as expected, which can create some frustration. A few glitches here, and there could impact the overall effectiveness of your client support. The fourth thing to consider is its integrations. SuiteDash connects with various third-party tools like QuickBooks and Google Workspace, which is handy for businesses already using these platforms. But SuiteDash's integration options are limited compared to other software like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk, which offer a broader range of connections. If you rely heavily on a variety of tools, you might find SuiteDash's integrations a bit restrictive. Now, here's the important part. SuiteDash isn't the only option out there. While it certainly offers some useful features for client support and issue tracking, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone, especially if you want a more specialized platform for customer service. Freshdesk, for example, is known for its clean interface and solid ticket management system, making it easier for your team to handle support requests. Zoho Desk is another great choice that focuses on streamlining issue tracking with advanced AI capabilities and a better knowledge-based system. In fact, if you're serious about optimizing client support, the alternatives I mentioned might actually outperform SuiteDash in these specific areas. But if you're still set on SuiteDash, here's the deal. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial and some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. However, don't forget to check out the alternatives I've recommended because they come with free trials as well and might just be a better fit for your business's client support and issue tracking needs. So, whether you're sticking with SuiteDash or exploring other options, take advantage of these trials to find the best software for your goals. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the links in the description to claim your free trials.